I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. In as much as I've been looking at the chart, you can see that I've been drawing balls all this year. This was last 2 weeks. This was like last 3 weeks around. Yeah, around last 2 weeks. You can see that I've been on the chart for long. You can see the trend line. Yeah, I've been on the chart since all this while that I've not been trading. Yeah, this is last 2 months. Yeah. I've been on the chart. Like, I don't think there is anything that is going to take my eyes from the chart. Even if I'm not doing my YouTube video, I'm not doing my documentary, like what I always do right here, but I'll always focus on the chart. I'll always see the chart. I'll always focus on this pair, GDP, JPY. That's the pair that I love trading because I love the movement. I love how fast it is. On GJ, I normally try to understand whenever the market is moving or wherever the market is moving. You have to understand how the chart moves and what caused that move, the candlestick formation that is happening around that region. Yeah, so that's one of the things that you really need to know. Some of us, the reason why we are not making money from the chart or from Forex is because we don't learn. We don't learn the mistake. We don't learn from our mistake. We think that this is like gambling. This is like I don't want to call a company name, but we think that it is like sports betting. No, this is not luck. This is, you have to practice. You have to pay a price. There is a price. Price. Yeah, you have to pay a price. Well, I don't normally like to use that word price. I think you have to be more disciplined. Yeah, I don't think there is any price that you need to pay anywhere. Don't allow anyone to deceive you like there is a price that you need to do this. That word price is what is taking some people to maybe go and do all those rituals and everything, thinking that okay, they say that we need to pay a price. Okay, I'm paying a price, but I don't think that is any price. There's no any price anywhere that you have to pay. You have to be more disciplined in the craft. You have to. The discipline that I'm saying is the discipline that when you see something that is not aligned with your trading plan, you don't have to get in. You don't have to force any trade. You have to trade what you are seeing, not what you think. That's one of the things that that is holding some of us back. We are trying to trade what we think. We are trying to force the market. We are trying to tell the market what to do instead of doing what the market is doing. Like, that's the only way you can make money from trading. Once you start doing what the market is doing, once you start seeing what the market is about to do and you take advantage of that move. Remember, this is trading. We buy, we sell. You are in charge. You can buy, you can sell in any moment in time. You can buy, you can sell. Yeah, so amazing. So let me share with you guys what I use when I'm trading. It's simple. Yeah, it's simple. So let me show you guys the strategy that I use. After that, I will show you some candlestick formation that I have learned these few days that is moving GJ. Whenever you see it, you know something is going to happen. So amazing. So the 4 things that I use whenever I'm trading. First is psychology level. Yeah, if you have been watching my videos, you understand that I talk about psychology levels very well. Yeah, psychology levels are random numbers that banks and hedge funds pay close attention. So this is the first one, psychology level. The second one is trend line. Yeah, I'm a technical trader, so I use trend lines. This is the technical tools that I use, to trade the Forex market. So the third one is chart pattern. And yeah, this is the 3 things. But sometimes I add these weak rejections. Yeah, the reason why people don't add this one when they are talking about the strategies they use, but for me, I add it because the weak rejection shows me, always tell me where to exit or where to get in, how the candles are reacting on that region. That's how I'm going to get in on it. So this is the 4 thing that I use whenever I'm trading. So this is it. Amazing. So this is the 4 thing that I use whenever I'm trading the Forex market: psychology level, trend lines, chart pattern, and weak rejection. So this one, you can determine how this one works. You can also determine how this one works by yourself. Yeah, in this trend line, if you can be able to find out, okay, this is the first high, this is the second high, and you stretch your trend line there, which is something like this. Let me show you guys something like this. Yeah, let's go. So if you can be able to spot the highs and the low, yeah, this market now is trending low, something like this. You can see this market is trending low. Amazing. So this is how you can get your trend line. You can see this is a high, this is a high, and this is a high, this is a high. Yeah, you can call it peaks. This is 1 peaks. 2 pips and 3 pips. So you can't determine this sometimes, but if you can get here, you can get these two, the first one and the second one, then you stretch it to the future and leave it. So once this one comes to hit here, the third one, that's one of the one that is the most aggressive sometimes. Whenever you hit that trend line, the third one is always aggressive more than this first and second one. So that one here, so we can determine trend line as I said earlier from here. Yeah, from here you can determine this one, psychology level, trend line, chart pattern, and weak rejections. You can determine this one first and second. These weak rejections, yeah, you can also see it with your eye, but you can't see this one, which is chart pattern. Yeah, you can determine that one. The market is only the one that provide this one. So this is the one that I'm going to be showing you on the chart right now. So this chart pattern. So the chart pattern I trade simple is also this W. This W means whenever I'm looking for a buy opportunity, or you call it double bottom. Yeah, you can see double bottom. That's what I trade. And when it comes to selling opportunities, this is what I trade too. M pattern. Yeah, this is what I trade too. M pattern. Whenever I'm looking for a sell opportunity. So you can see this one, but this is where so many of us find it difficult to confirm this one, because sometimes this one will be lower like this, or this one will be higher. Do you get what I mean? Sometimes it will be lower like this, or it will be higher. Sometimes it's very difficult to be equal height with this one. Yeah, that's where some people find it difficult to realize that this is what is happening and this is how it's going to happen. So, but the best opportunity is whenever these confluences are aligned with psychology level. Whenever there is that's why I choose psychology level. Whenever there is psychology level close by on this kind of this region, yeah, sometimes it will be above the psychology level this way, then the market will start dropping. Or sometimes this one will be just below the psychology level. Yeah, also this one also may be higher than the psychology, but the psychology level will be around that region. That's where I will know that okay, something is going to happen here. And the beautiful thing is, and another thing is, I remember this this thing now that is happening. Psychology level is there, and this trend line. Most time this trend line will just come like this. Yeah, you'll be having this first leg and this second leg here, somewhere here, or sometimes they will also be together. To confirm, they will be also together. Remember, I use 15 minutes time frame to trade. They will also be together like this on the same one. But if you go over to the higher time frame, maybe you are seeing those chart pattern. For me, I take the chart pattern on 15 minutes. But if you go over to 1 hour time frame, you will know that these things are just maybe just like 2 candles. Yeah, but on 15 minutes, that is about 8 candles forming there. Yeah, so about 8 candle or 6 candle. Before you know, the market will drop aggressively. So amazing. So you can see there's a lot of psychology levels on my chart because that's what I use. Yeah, so psychology levels are these lines that you are seeing here. So psychology levels on GJ are very simple. There are 50 for me. I use 50. Okay, let me clear all those things. Yeah, psychology levels for me, I use 50. Yeah, for me, I use 50 pips move. You can see, just zoom in this thing. You can see from here. This is not correct. This is not correct. So the next one will be 800. Yeah. Coordinate. You go over if you. So this is it. You can see this one from this line to this line, from 187.500 to 187.800. That's the next psychology level. The reason why this number is here is where the market. Okay, this market is here. Sorry. Okay, I think it's this line. It's this line. So amazing. You can see this line from 188.000 to 188.500. That's 50 pips. Yeah, you have to confirm, print out your ruler too. Then from here to here, it have to be 50. It has to be 50 pips. If it's below 50 pips, you are wrong. If it's above 50 pips, you are also wrong. So amazing. That is it. So let me show you guys the chart. Yeah, you can see, if you see my chart, you can see there's there is trend line all over my chart. You can see this first move. You can see this first touch, second touch, third touch. The market drops. I tell you, whenever the market is touch the third one, that's always make an aggressive move. Whenever the third touch is always the aggressive ones whenever you are trading. Yeah, so this is 1 hour time frame. This is 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes time frame. I really didn't trade like getting in much opportunity. I was looking for something and it didn't happen, then I didn't get in on this one. Yeah, that was around Thursday. Yeah, I saw this opportunity, but I wasn't taking it because the market was like trying to deceive me very crazy. Like this first one, the second one, I was like, bro, are you sure that this thing is not going to be buying from here? You can see from here, okay, this one is the one that I map out that I'm going to look for a buy opportunity here. But I was like literally watching what is happening in the market. I wasn't even ready to trade here. But this week I'm going to be getting FTMO free trial account. Yeah, so I'll be sharing with you guys how I'm trading that free trial account from this week. Yeah, so you can see what happened here. Yeah, I was literally thinking that this market is going to be buying from here. That's why I'm up at this thing. Yeah, I saw this first one, I saw this leg, this third one. I was thinking, okay, there is going to be an aggressive. I just put this thing here. Yeah, I just put this thing here, trying to say if this thing is going to reach it. Then I didn't have this trend line here. I didn't have this trend line here now. I didn't have this one now. This one that was here. Because the market was, this market is just in a bull run. Like the market is in a bull run. You can see the market is in a bull run. You can see. So this is just a retracement. Yeah, this is just a retracement. You can see. Yeah, so the candle that I promised you guys that I'm going to show you guys is very interesting candle whenever it comes to GJ. This is the candle formation. Look at this. Whenever you see this candle, be very careful about this candle. This is a secret. Yeah, this is a secret. Whenever you see it, be very careful. You see this candle, this Dutch candle. Be very careful whenever it's printing near a resistance zone or support zone. Yeah, for me, I use psychology level I use psychology level. I don't call it resistance or support, but I use psychology level. But whenever I know it's low, you know that this is a support zone. Whenever I know it is high, you know that this is a resistance zone. So let me show you guys another place that it happened. Yeah, you can see something here. You can see something here. Whenever this candle shows up, know that there is something is going to happen over there. Yeah, that candle is continuation pattern. Yeah, chart like continuation candle. That's what it is. So let me show you guys other thing. There's other place that I saw that candle. You can see here. You can see here. Whenever it is printed around region, you can see there is a movement there. So let me show you guys other one. So see this one. You can see this Dutch candle here. Whenever it happens, know that it's going to be a very major reversal or continuation from that region. Yeah, you can see this one, Dutch candle. What happened? The market started dropping from here. So that is it. So this week, just look out for my channel anywhere you are. Whenever I drop a video, know that I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm trading and how I'm going to be managing that account, FTMO free trial account. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be trading this week. So last week around Friday, the market dropped crazy here. So I put this boss here, this candle printed. This one was so long, like the market didn't give a chance to get in. So I put this candle here. I was literally waiting for this candle to push up here for me to get in, but it didn't happen, and I didn't take that opportunity. That's why I still leave this boss here. So this week is going to be an amazing week. You can see how the candle is printing. You can see that the market is on a bullish one, but this move is not strong enough to take out this momentum that is here. Look at the candle is just sickly, like they are not strong enough to take out this big drop that is here. So that will be all for this video. We are looking for opportunity to get in for a sell this week. Yeah, so I'm going to be looking for opportunity to sell this market anywhere from here. Yeah, so that's it. So whenever this market come down to this psychology level here, because I know from next week maybe Monday, the market may drop to here and come to hit here. So on this hit, I'll be looking for a sell opportunity to touch this, to make an equal low with this one before a continuation of a buy trade. So that is all for this video. If you are new, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.